Hello brother and sister, today I going to give a review for a foldable scaLpeL with a G10 material handle. And here in front of us, the knife itself, you can call it knife or scaLpeL because the blade is changeable. And in the buying purchase, I got the two spare of the blade, and here is the blade itself, the G10 handle material. I choose this knife because the pen clip has a two nail rivet, so it must be stronger for a long time. Okay, this is how you open it. Press the lever slowly, put your thumb in at here and keep pushing the lever and slowly pull the blade. Here is the scaLpeL. And this is how you close the blade. Push the steel here, and use your left hand to slowly hold the blade, and there is .03 gram. About 9 centimeter. (16 centimeter). (13 millimeter for the width, and for the thickness is almost 11 millimeter. And here in front of us, I put three types of the cutter: snappable blade cutter, scaLpeL blade knife, and Nightcore scaLpeL blade knife. And I will use the blade of itself to see which one is more sharper and smooth when we use on our work. And of course, the sharpness of the blade actually depend on the company that produce the blade itself. And the result of using three kind of this, the common cutter is more smooth and nicely for ease of use. This scaLpeL knife only useful for special purpose and particular use. Same with this mini scaLpeL from Nightcore. Also suitable for particular uses. I think that's all. That's all our review for today. Thank you for watching this video.